My ex that broke me, I wouldn't be posting the content. I would not be where I am if it wasn't for her. And in the moment, I thought she was perfect. I thought she was the one. I didn't even know girls like that existed. And then she broke up with me, left me, and I was so broken. I had no money. I had nothing. And I just remember going, fuck it. What do I have to lose? And then shit just blew up and my whole life changed. And then I got to this period where I was like thanking her for doing it. And I was like, I'm so grateful you did that because my life is never going to be the same again. When I see one of my friends going through a breakup, I feel for them, I have empathy for them, but I also get so excited because I truly know that that's going to be one of the most life-changing things for them. It's going to better them more than most things. We need this level of being comfortable alone. And when you've got a partner your whole life, you never spend time in solitude because they're always with you. And that time when you're going through a grieving process, a challenge, a hardship, and you have to do it alone, that is the most character building thing ever. So I look at that and I go, your life's going to change because of that.